What's up, guys? Today I'm going to be showing you how to make jig skirts. There are a couple things that you need to make these jig skirts. So here's what you need to do if you want to get started. Go to what I did, tacklewarehouse.com. You can get a kit which gives you the tool and 100 skirts, different colors. Here's what the tool looks like. It's got this. And then your little needle thing. It comes with rubber bands and a variety of just skirts. You can also get these individually. The skirts, I think they're about $2.49 a piece for a pack of 10 skirts, and then you could get the tool, which is $3.49. I went ahead with this box right here. It's $30 plus shipping. I think it's a good deal. On the long run, you save a lot of money because jigs, typically a good jig costs $4 to $7. About that. With this, in the long run, you're gonna save a lot more money with just buying your standard jig heads or whatever jig head you like to use without the skirt. It's a lot cheaper that way, where you can just make your skirts. Another reason to make your own skirts, because not all stores, not all jig companies make different kinds of skirt colors. Like this red and black, you don't see that very often on jigs. You can just combine any type of color you want, and you can make jig skirts that you won't see anywhere else. That's why I like making my own skirts. First thing we need to do is get the rubber bands. There. And we're gonna put them on that piece right there. This piece goes in there, just like this. And you slide it on up. It can be a pain sometimes. There we go, got it on just like that. Once you get it on there, you can take this thing off. And now we're gonna pick out our jig skirt color. We're just gonna do black and blue for now. So you're gonna get 2 black and blue slabs from your box. You're gonna hold them just like that, and you're gonna go ahead and set your slabs down, and we are going to put the needle through the hole like that. Next, you're gonna make sure your little hook grabber is going through both of them, and you're gonna pull just like that. Right about there. That's where I usually stop it. It just depends how long you're trying to make your skirt, what kind of skirt you're trying to make. It depends where you slide it. There you go. There's your skirt. We gotta trim it up real quick. You gotta cut the little end pieces off because they are not. And now you just add it on to your jig head that you will be using, or whatever you're using to add the skirt onto, and it'll look like this.